Hey guys, my name is Shafiq from Sparrow Tech. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a custom global header with Divi Theme Builder. After watching this video, you'll be able to create a header just like that. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, as you can see that I have logged into my dashboard. Now to create the header, we are going to do 3 steps. The first things we need to do is to upload a logo on our website. Now to upload a logo, I'm gonna come over here to the Divi and click on the theme options. It will take you to the options page. Make sure you are on the general tab. Right at the top, you will find a logo options and you can see a button called upload at the right hand side, and I'm just clicking over here to the upload button here. Upload files, select files, and here is my logo. I'm not uploading my logo again because I already have uploaded my logo. I'm just clicking over to the media library. Here is my logo, set as logo. When you uploaded a logo, just click on the save changes button here. Okay, once you have uploaded the logo, we can go to the second step, which is to create a menu. To create a menu, I'm gonna come over here to the appearance and click on the menus. Here I'm going to give this a name to main menu, and I'm going to assign to the menu to primary menu, and then click on the create menu. Now I will add some pages to the menu. I already have some pages here. You can see home, about, contact, and services. And I'm going to click on the add to menu button over here, and I'm going to click on the save menu here. So once you have created the menu, we can go to the third step, which is to design the header. Now we need to come over here to the Divi, and then you will see options called Theme Builder. I'm just clicking over here. It will take you to the Theme Builder options over here. You can see add global header. This is where we need to create our global header that's cover pretty much the whole website. Okay, I'm just clicking on add global header, build global header. So first thing I'll do is to come over here to the section setting and go to background, add a background color. In my case, I will add a dark color over here, and I'll also going to design tab, scroll a little bit and come over here to the spacing. I will remove the default spacing from the top and bottom of the section. So first of all, I'm linking here and I'm putting my value to 0. Okay, so I'm just come over here and click the save button. Now I'll insert a row with 3 columns. That's why I'm clicking over here, and I will choose a row style, something like that. Okay, now I will add a logo here. That's why I'm searching for an image. Okay, just click over here. So instead of adding just a normal image, I'll do dynamic logo here. So that's why I am going to delete this first one, and you can see an database icon over here. Just click on it and you can see site logo. Just click on it and you can see the logo is here that we have uploaded sometimes ago. Okay, now I'll resize the logo. That's why I'm gonna come over here to the module setting here, and then I'll go to design tab, click on the sizing, and I will set the sizing to 50%. Okay, and then click on the save button over here. Okay, now I'll add a menu model over here. That's why I'm clicking over here and search for menu. Just click on it. Okay, the menu model has been added, and we can see our main menu that we have just created. Alright, now we have found an issue on the menu, that the menu background color is not good. So we have to get rid of the background color from the menu. That's why I'm gonna come over here to the background and just delete the background color over here. But we are facing another issue, that the menu color is not good. So that's why I'm gonna come over here to the design tab. We'll go to menu text, and you can see the menu text color. In my case, I'll add white color over here, and we can see the text very clearly. Now I will go to layout, and then I will make it centered alignment. Okay, that's great. Now I'll change the font family from the menu text here. Now I will add Georgia for now. Okay, that's great. Now I will increase the menu text size for 10 to 16 over here. Okay, that's great for me for now. Lastly, I will add a button model over here. That's why I'm searching for button. Just click on it. Here our button model has been added. Now I will redesign the button model. Now first of all I will fix the alignment to the right, and you can see the button has a gradient color, so we have to add a gradient color. That's I'm gonna come over here to the button over here. Just check this one, and you can see the button background color. I'm gonna come over here to the background gradient and just add background gradient. We can see gradient stops. Here we can add the two gradient text over here. That's why I'm gonna come over here and just drop the color from here. This is the first color. Okay, I will click on it and I will paste the color. That's great. And then I will pick the second color, this color. Okay, and I will put the color over here. Okay, I will fix more things, like I will change the color of the button text here. Here you go. I changed the button color to the white. In my case, I will keep the white color over here. Then I will change the font family to Georgia. And then I will make the upper cases for the button style. That looks great. And I will get rid of the button border for now, because we don't need any border. Okay, the border has been removed. Now I will fix the gradient direction to 90 degree. Okay, I'll just save this one and I will check how it look like from the front end. Okay, but it's not showing the header yet because we didn't save from the theme builder. That's why I'm clicking on the little cross icon over here and just click on the save changes button over here. Now if I refresh the page, then we can see the header over here. But if you can see that the header has a problem, like the logo, menu and button alignment is not good. So first of all I'll fix this problem. So I'm gonna come over here to the theme builder again and click on the little pencil icon over here, and then what I'll do is I'll go to row setting over here. Then I'll go design tab, sizing, and I'll enable the equalize column height over here. Then I'll go to the second more column over here, then go to custom CSS module elements, and I will add the custom CSS margin auto, and you can see the alignment is already fixed now. And I will just copy this code here and I will paste the code for the button model as well. Okay, the alignment has been fixed now, and if I save this header again and if I refresh the page, then we can see, and if I check, the alignment is great now. But I am facing another issue, that the alignment with the body is not good. So I'll fix the alignment. Okay, that's why I'm gonna come over here to the row setting and go to design and click on the sizing. Here you can see the width and max width. I will make the max width to 1300 pixel for now, and I will I will make the width to 100%, and if I click on the save button over here, and then I will refresh. Okay, that's great. The alignment is good now, and we have completed the header, if you can see that, but the header is not sticky. When I scroll up, the header is not fixed from the top, so I will make the header sticky. Okay, to make the header sticky, I'll come over here to the section setting, go to advanced tab, and I'll go to scroll effects, and then here you can see sticky position. Default value is do not stick, but I'll change it to stick to top. Just save it and refresh the page again, and you can see the header is sticky now. When I scroll down, the header is still stick to the top, so it's really great. And if you want, you can add more styles on it.